yes, asemo me no kase Kumasi Asante Kotoko center back Musa Hamzata waba back to Ghana. Musa Hamzata waba back to Ghana. The news is that Kotoko ni Medeama game ebeba so utumfu nyankopon ya adoma akosiada Babara Sports Stadium no. One say Kotoko registered as part of the registered players for the 2020 25-26 Ghana Premier League no. Na emano akwanya se game no betima bobi. Na eyedie nti a wasaba Ghana. Details ni nyina no ewa ha yedi Asia ewo efie ha sei. Obi bese ade we de eye unusual because player wako trust ewo Sweden. Na okoye no em say 2 months kra no en shede no 2 months papa okoye no metiba ka say eye 1.5 months eni ena enanwumre news na ba say player no waba back to Ghana echina echi Kotoko eni Medeama game no obetima bobi aha eye Super 24 TV. Now another news which is very disturbing and you may try to explain bibia ewo fia ha eye the news with Albert Amoah. It is reported say Asante Kotoko atro ama Ali Benghazi for ne say sikana enyanto mu no they are ready to take them to FIFA. Asemwe mete na ye mesere kra ye mesere sebi ase nkurubo bi ne ebo na player a turn on the night Kotoko free Champions League and as a Confederation Cup no ya njiska na wan jiska fina obema pressure asem no esre na de enso yate ne ye de bebre mu e ofia pacho wa ha Super 24 TV on subscribe ya na wa hit the red subscribe button na wa ba do man so they are building together information there bebre ne wo wiase na de di se fata se ye be ka ho nsem wa ha no ena yedeba join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 107260 0247 107260 me free kromu ba ya no ena menya news bi we de enhyedam fast sports ho sa na emum no ye nyina ye wo Ghana Daddy Lumba na oye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni na osai Ghana legend no okay say Daddy Lumba ni akusua se wansensem no court na obi busa me say eyedi nti asem no court. The main reason nti asem no court no say Daddy Lumba yire a odikan a friend akusua se wa no a ode ne kobo bra kakra e wo Germany no ono na tworo koma court say opese court no no the only surviving widow nature say ebatwi mu a menkase o she court ne say court ne declare na eyeda no edura ono akusua se wanko a beye kunafo ba so de ade ne koyeye no na enanwumre verdict no aba uko street no so na ebi mu gidi se asem no zeze akoye legal wife team legal wife any team Slay Queen's wife sana manfo kan mo mutata ho on peso mo chese odobroni no betata ho but and the force chese in the past 10 years no Lumba ene odobroni no ene tifi Lumba yari mu odobroni no etnatena no ho sasebi ofa cap sensu ma no kra na waboa waye bi in this contest no untimi mbeka se odobroni no enso nye yere na ena finally which is the was the judgment day and the Kumasi High Court and the judge no de asem no atemu nyina ba se Lumba yi na ya hye ne 13th of next month December ebetimi abaso na baso a akosua sewa a oye Lumba yire odikan ene odobroni Priscilla a emvanize ono nso ye Lumba second wife no omumienu nyina ye declare omo say ombetimi aperforme okunafo amane in English, no, let me put it this way. The court declared that both Odobroni and Akosua Sewa can perform the widowhood rites of the late Daddy Lumba. Our funeral day, no. The court actually asked them to perform, both of them. So it means both of them are wives of Daddy Lumba. Sisi no, enya Akosua Sewa nko a. Odobroni ne de wanko twema nson. Ono de eja obese me sunson me ho. Akosua Sewa no na ne de no em se no kra ne de no. Won say 1 week no munyina ka bo mu. De bo mu no Ghana asem de mukabo mu no obi ba kogo yodum ena wo de wase yo nti e hwa na news ba say Akosua Sewa de asem ne court me aye me nwanwa pa na enne ame no ka say the court nsensem ni nyina no aba wie we unrelated about sports, but Daddy Lumba obi a me personally me penasem pa Daddy Lumba nyom aboa me papa and then we Super 24 TV no so Lumba nyom a metia shemen kran say nyom bi wo ha ebetima ye no na Lumba enya ne ba bi kwa na wo se nyina no ye hwe na ye krakra Lumba echi e ma ne ye kama nti ahwefo ne atiefo a mo hwe me from Abrochire ne Ghana nyina no news kakra e fa Daddy Lumba ewu achi e ma no manso mo twen ye no enkombra nyina no court ahye se omumienu nyina no ebetimi ayekunafo enye se we nko an enko yekuna anase we nko an enko yekuna na manfo bi di nkomo wa akire se ekobasa ajapade ne nsensem no se no omumienu nyina no ye be cha momo ene enkra no ene ade a edo de ye abusua ene law ne nyoma ene de enye ye yasem afi ma menko ukuba pema apembeba esamuto yemfa nkotwa luto afiwe ena Kotoko sign Musa Hamzata this year in let me say July August no. He was part of the new 15 players including Walid Neema Fuseni Seth Kojo Zakaria Fuseni. All those new guys are Omoba Aziz Aruna Dari Hubert Jomo, the new face of Asante Kotoko players no. He was part. Na obo 1 month wie ye ball champions of champions baby any ye giwie no ye ne first Brekum Chelsea game no kra official ye wie na news ba say boy no etukwan na boy no etukwan a okoye trials Sweden na menuanom YouTubers won say de bia meka say adwuma de obi aye na adwuma na emum na tore bia nsem bi wo ho a ye de ba utimu za asem we no unye hwehwemu ehunu no kurewu menuanom bi YouTubers a omoye Kotoko adwuma ebe ka say Kotoko agiska kra wo so de a nkofo na makotoko sika na emum no na no kure ba akokura anim but trust no koye na enam no ka say the player no Kotoko Ngiska. So for all this while no na trust na no de wo under observation because at that time the season had commenced until he was just part of Omutimu no. Until there wasn't any official paperwork with the Swedish club. And I'm to say a Swedish second tie. There wasn't any official can say paperwork between Asante Kotoko and second tie for no. And Muntira and ne Kotoko are falling short of players. Omuntimi enya 20-man squad crowd because omu players almost 13 April. In the 13 April, Kotoko raise 20-man squad adding. Na eno kan ena my boy na abagana. Sa oye part of Kotoko registered players they are oye eligible to play. So eno no inform me the decision inti a obaye no. Oba beboa Kotoko. Inti Kotoko ne Medeama game no. Enya nwanwa se ubun se Musa Hamzata is part of Asante Kotoko team no. Now the second twist or the second reason top to it Sa Musa Hamzata asabe no. One said Joseph Ablo and the Samba O'Neil contracts no running out at the end of this season. Because Omobile almost signed 2 years in 2024. Into by 2026 ending year no June July no more contracts na baby. So before SRJ say either Samba O'Neil and I say Joseph Ablo omumu baako wo obekọ bia no Musa Hamzata no yebetima ne channel so well to be taken over from these players. Now wabeye the new face inti Sweden hona or no sa paperwork ni nyanye complete there. Why not come back home to help club one no ewo 3 years contract apparently or signed 3 years. It's Musa Hamzata contract with Asante Kotoko no ebebe we 2028. Yes, on the contracts nebebe we 2028. Now Hubert Jody na be we 2029. Hubert signed 4 years and ono signed 3 years. Enti on Musa Hamzata nchechemu kakra me hu news no ye de ama me no. So he's coming to help Asante Kotoko for the time being until some paperwork with the Swedish club never complete. He's eligible to play for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enuntia player na sabana eye ya player ni position a obo ankasa eye center back utimi bo 4 utimi bo 5 what's all height pa now Kotoko esha ase no ye mane bo 2 mekai I don't know. Yeni brekum Chelsea open and I koshe brekum Chelsea no. Sa game no na sata no na Lord Amwa enye fully fit. Ena obekaya na Shaibu Abubakar so ebra. Inti ehora coach na e convert Musa Hamzata e ma ne botu. Inti obekaya kra na goaler Kotoko share in that particular game. I think Abetamo na share sa goal Kotoko de brekum Chelsea. Musa Hamzata ene nya ball no 2 ho ena oye adwuma ena finally ball no ekoto net mu. Yes, and I think ye ne ayikra no nya go enti empanyefo hu ni say ni usefulness no ewo high at the time Kotoko lucky players to even make a 20-man squad no sa also den one and the paperwork no enye completer. It is prudent for him to come and play for Asante Kotoko for the time being. The key word is for the time being. For the time being, wabano or you eligible there obebo. Obe menkas obebo. For now, my minchirimu ye menkas obebo. Nemuno, he will be part of the 20-man squad. Because it's in a samba or a blow or in the center back a Jumana and Casano. And now you'll be walking straight into it. Ebia Patrick Essiedu na ebeka se aranu game no nya knock kakra ne de Musa Hamzata akobotere na sa Patrick Essiedu kura ni wa Asante Kotoko currently ye wo Francis Akwa ye de ono ye Patrick Essiedu backup ono de obotere dada so ono wo enti menti bi gase Medeama game no bit start but 20-man squad no kan depending on how a coach the person use no and no will determine. But before being who says, sorry, paperwork na anya complete. Obe stay or 3 years with Asante Kotoko. 3 years, no. Na so year no who no year in your ya center back position no. Obe timi abeje aboso. Kotoko Zakaria Fuseni wo. But na no as in mu aye du binim so te bench wo no. E na Kotoko edwen Ales Boache of Adriana ho. Kotoko edwen Nations FC, Razak Simpson, and a Musa Hamzata also. Na idea naba. It's at the end of the day, what will be best for the club, no? And I'm here to say pay for it be decided. And said I know weird thing. Trials the players called trials. So far as the paperwork is in complete, no still no Kotoko player. Enti, I do when I'm a day kai, nama 2 million YouTubers name before. Or call trials, no Kotoko ambe any official statement say. Player not join see and I say player not join because no money inside the name complete. If I what I say, come on, baby free. ofiri Kotoko no nsentro ye na report to say okoso den na mom no asat na Kotoko en report to ye nye statement bia say player na ko join the Swedish club nti officially still na Kotoko player nti so waba back to Ghana obetimi join the Kotoko team no na oni Kotoko team na ko face Medeama eno any information ni nchichimu kakra super antiasie fi asamba enya botere echirim ema obia na what is it Kotoko eton abetamo ano sika no still na omuntua alalefo asemwe no emesirio asemwe no as a danko dada adwe story bi na esa na wa out there and report ne chese Kotoko edenkofo ni beku FIFA as a story ro akoy say ananzem story bi as ananzem story bi on the night ye you free Champions League inti ye de enko ena Libya for the catch Kumasa Sante Kotoko muma abetamo akoy then as abetamo no no signing on few ena Kotoko de wan the transfer fee yen seeking for explanation asem we me pese me nya full explanation the last time I busa the club PR Sapuduku no wetimi an confirm Mrs. Kanaba and that's at now sikana do do kra obi anim de mum to be real honest me asem we no I don't want to believe say Kotoko abetamo a deal no sika no nkofo ni nyantwi ai and club run kwaba na run club no me I don't want to believe inti amoka se Kotoko be ku FIFA akoji sika no menye sure no krabia ni sika no no kro mpa no ebepi ana ujidi se Kotoko NG sika ujidi ma menton kan in the comment section